guys, another tutorial from Classic Games United. And in today's tutorial, guys, I'm gonna show you all how to play Defiance. You know, this game was shut down in 2021, but it was revived by a team called Forkes. And I'm gonna show you guys how to play this game, right? Now it's a very simple step, and also you could join the Forkes Discord server and show them some support, you know, because I remember playing this game back in, I believe, around 2019 2018, because the game was free on Steam, and back then playing it was really fun open world MMO game. And then they decided to pull the servers in 2021, and the game had a sequel which was also discontinued. And I'm so glad to see that they brought back Defiance in 2025, guys. So I promised myself I wasn't going to do any tutorials, but I just feel in my heart that I should do this to help a lot of people that wouldn't know about this, just to bring a light to this. So I'm gonna help you guys and show you how to download and play the game for free, and you could support the people that revive this game, right? So before we could get into this, guys, I'm just gonna walk you through step by step. Hopefully this wouldn't take long. So I'm gonna start off from the beginning and show you guys how to get the game and set up everything, right? So I'm gonna be back, guys. Okay, guys, we are back, and this might take some while to do this tutorial, but the first step we want to do is go to Forkes. Just type in Forkes, go to the home, and feel free to join them on Discord. Alright, now this is not, I didn't bring back this game, all the credits goes to Forkes, right? Now before you do this, you want to click on sign up. I already have an account, right? I will just log out. You will need to register your account. This is very simple, guys. Just register your account. Once you register your account, you confirm your email, check your email, check your email address and confirm your email, and then you will just log in. Alright, I already logged in. So this part is very simple, guys. Doesn't require mathematics to do. Just create an account, right? Simple as that. And then once you create an account, you will just download the launcher, which is here. Download the launcher. I already have it downloaded. Let's know. Just download the launcher, download it again. Click download. Alright, and you will just install the launcher. Very simple, guys, very simple. Choose your language and install this to the default location. If you don't want to encounter any problems, it's best not to change the default location. Just leave it as this and click install. Now I had the entire game installed, but in order to do this tutorial I deleted it, because I want to walk you through step by step on how you just set up your game and play for free. Because I know that many of y'all missed this game when they decided to pull the servers in 2021, and they had a Discord team was working on the game, but then he had was to delete his Discord server because I think was Defiance Reviver was the name of the Discord. Was one single guy working on a he was working on a fix to revive the game, and then 4K came and take over this the game from the original owners, and they revived the game. So once it's finished installing, just leave it as run and click finish. Just let it start up. Checking for updates. Alright, so I'm gonna I'm gonna end the video and then I'll be back. Alright guys, so this is the second part here. They have other games you could choose from if you want. You understand? But we not focus on other games. We want to download Defiance. So you just choose the game you want to install and you will just click on install. Leave it to the default location. I had it, you see I had it installed already, but I will just delete the old folder. Or just leave it like that and just click on install. Right, yes. Now depending on the speed of your computer, this is going to take a while. For me it took about half an hour or less to just download and install. So what it's doing here is downloading and installing at the same time. As you can see here, installing and then it's downloading the files. So once the game is finished downloading guys, I'll be back. It's very simple. Once it's finished, once you reach 100%, it will mark up to say play here. So once it finishes downloading, I'll be back. Finish downloading, as you can see. So you can now play the game online. Settings, and just leave it as default. And what you could do is just press play, and you will need to sign in with your Forecast account, username and password, and you'll click login. Right, so from the website here you just log in with your username, you see, and then your password. And once you log in with your username and password, just click login and it will start up the game. And once you're in game, you will have to create a character. Alright, I already created a character. Let's create a character. Whatever, set your settings. Just set your settings. Alright, once you set your settings and you create your character, alright, let's put back on my controller. So you could create a character, new character, or you just go on new game, create a new character and set up your character, and then you'll be able to play. This is my character here, so let's play. And that's it guys, that's how you'll play Defiance again in 2025 for free. Alright, short simple tutorial, not that long, you know. Just gonna maybe play through a little bit just to show you that the game is working well. You understand? I don't know if Forecast maybe added anything special to this new Defiance. It's the same old Defiance but just running on a different launcher with some new devs called Forecast. Alright, I really miss this game here, and it was only I believe in 2022 because I hadn't played for a while after 2019. It is only 2022 I realized that when I went to sign in, download the game again and sign in with my high-res account. I believe that was the high-res account, I believe. Not too sure, I believe, but I realized that I could not sign in, and then I get to find out the servers had died back in 2021, right? But Defiance is the original name of a TV series, and after that series they made the game, which you can see here. they made a game called Defiance, and then I believe in 2019, I believe, I'm not too sure, they made a sequel to this game, but the sequel was very bad and was not received well.
Is this St. Louis?
Alright guys, so I'm gonna lock the volume. Yeah guys, so the volume.
This town is worth fighting for.
Cloak must be activated to sneak behind the projections and attack.
Okay guys, that's it for this video. I'm going to continue playing after I edit this tutorial. I hope that you all enjoy. Don't forget to join the Discord server and support these guys and focus, and I'll see you next video to come. Classic Games United out.